Hi, this is Scott Warnicki from MarineMax in Palm Beach. We're aboard the MJM 4. This particular model is a DPI Volvo Penta model, and it has a huge platform on the back, which is a little bit different from our outboard versions. As you come into the cockpit area, you'll notice it's very similar to the others and has a lot of big seating arrangements with a large hatch that opens up on this particular boat to get access to the engines. We have refrigeration, grill, a lot of space. These cabinets actually go all the way into the cabin, which is really nice for fenders and lines and such. Here we have an aft enclosure that can be removed, and also we have a nice bimini top that can retract. But one of the nice features of this top is it actually can be adjusted to be really nice and tight when you're running, so you're no flapping or anything like that while you're cruising. When we come inside, you'll have a full kitchen area, induction stove. We have a microwave, refrigerator that also goes with the refrigeration in the back. Big thing on the MJM 4 that everybody really loves is the ability to open the whole pilot house up. As you can see, all the windows are open. You have full ventilation that runs right through the boat. But if it gets crazy and you get some rain in the afternoon, you can close everything up and it's very nice and chilled inside here with the air conditioning. Lots of seating here and storage underneath. Also, the table flips open and can be moved to the front or the back of the boat, and actually in the bow too. The helm area has nice double Garmin screens. As you can see, the boat is sitting here still with the dynamic positioning, but lots of air conditioning here for the captain. Great visibility, minimal bow rise on the boat, and the performance is truly amazing. As we go up to the bow, you'll see a very nice sitting area. We particularly have the bow seating insert in right now, so it makes it a full lounge, but it's very nice and deep, and it allows for a lot of safety for children. You notice the handrails on the side. So it's a very nice social area for the family. Here inside the cabin, we have a beautiful seating area that also can be collapsed and an insert put in here so we can make a nice bed. Lots of storage in the side, and you'll notice there's lots of windows in here so you don't feel enclosed. It's very open and airy. We have a beautiful bathroom here with a full shower, of course electric toilet, and all the beautiful wood trimming that we have. Again, this is Scott Warnicki from MarineMax in West Palm Beach. If you'd like a private showing on this beautiful MJM 4, please reach out to me. Thank you.